Our wow indicators are powerfully designed indicators that works on real-time market without involving fake trends and disturbances, which results in generating precise buy-sell signals with utmost efficiency of more than 95%. These wow indicators are easy to use and understandable. This does not require any prior knowledge and data before investing. Simply rely and follow our wow indicators that gives you very accurate and error-free buy and sell signals. These powerful indicators can start generating profits from day one. What you have to do first is to create a free trading account on tradingview.com using your Facebook or Google account. The link is given in the description. This hardly take 5 minutes to set up the account. Now go to our website thewowindicators.com, whose link is already given in the description. Scroll down the website and choose your desired indicator plans. As soon as you buy any plan, our indicators link will be provided to you. Download it and save it safely. Now come back onto the TradingView dashboard. First of all, click on this plus button and choose your favorite stocks, forex or cryptos by clicking on this add button, so that its data chart appears on the screen. Now click on time frame option and select 15 minutes time interval, as our indicator gives best result on this time schedule. Now select Heikin-Ashi chart pattern from charts option. Now click on indicators. You'll be able to see your indicators as you've already added according to the method taught in our course. As you can see on the screen, we have 3 premium indicators thoroughly working on the TradingView chart. Let us understand the working of all the indicators one by one. The first one is WOW MWA indicator. This is basically these bold green-red lines flowing on the main chart. The green line shows the signal for buying and red line shows when to sell. This is definitely a great hint to trade, but if you want more than 95% of accuracy, then wait for other 2 indicators as well. Our second indicator is WOW trend indicator, as we can see these up, down, blue, red arrows. This indicator indicates buy-sell signal using real-time data and market calculations, which enhance efficiency of our WOW indicators. As soon as the indicator signals turns blue upward arrow, we are ready to go to buy, and the moment it appears red colored downward arrow, we have to sell. For cherry on the top, we provide you with our third bonus indicator, which is WOW SMA support indicator that increases the signal's efficiency by more than 95%. This indicator works below the main chart. These blue-red mounted slopes indicates buy and sell signals. So make the best use of it. When all the 3 conditions satisfies, that is, when these dark lines turns green and this upward arrow displays blue and these support indicator slopes started turning green. This is the time to buy, and similarly when these dark lines turns red, downward arrow appears red and these support slopes started turning red, you are ready to sell. That's it. This is the easiest way to make profits. That's all in today's video. Kindly like, share and subscribe our WOW Indicators trading channel for regular updates.